What's up guys, Inigo here and welcome to another video, and today I will show you how you can install police cars to your FiveM server, and I will also show how to install them with ELS. So the first thing you need to do is go to GTA 5 mods, and you can go to vehicles and search for your police vehicle or other type of EMS vehicles. So we're gonna hit download. I'm gonna take a Volvo V90 Swedish police marked model, download, and hit save file. We're then gonna extract this, and here we have it. We have the model here, police 2. Okay, so we want to connect our server. I host my server at saphosting.com, so link in the description for this. So we're gonna make a new folder, and we can call this police 2. We can just make it easy, simple. So in this, we're gonna make a new folder and call this stream, and we're going to take these and drop them in here. And we're going to go to meta values, and I see this one is text version, so we're gonna make it this to Lua. Yes, and I think this one works. So as you can see, it's the handling name is police 2, and this handling will tell the server how strong the car is going to be, how fast it's going to be, how it's handles. So we're gonna drop this one here, and we also have this, and a link in the description for FiveM ELS. And I think I have FiveM ELS here. So you want to open up this, and you want to drop this one in here. I just see so I don't replace anything. Nope. So I'm gonna drop this in here, like so. And we also want a underscore resource.lua. So I have a template down in the description that you people can use, but I will just go to one other vehicle and just copy it, just like so. So now I want to drag this one into our server. Can just drop it in here, like so, and there you have it. So we just want to copy the name, and once we go to our server config, and scroll down here and start police 2, and then you're gonna restart your server, and hopefully this will work. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more of these videos, and drop in the comments below any videos that you guys want to see, any tutorials that you guys need help with. So that's all for me, and peace out.